Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a custom time for pop-up display. Here you can see this one is the pop-up that is created using Elementor. So now if you want to change the time and you want to display whenever you want, so let me go here and after that edit this template. You can also go from here in dashboard and then enter the templates pop-ups, then scroll down and here you can click edit with Elementor. Now Elementor page builder is loading. After that you can easily edit anything. Here you can go on top right corner and then click on display conditions, then click on triggers. Now here you can see this one is the condition on page load. So you can add 10 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever you want. So for example, if I add here time 10 seconds delay, then click on next button, save and close. Now let's go and reload this page. So now pop-up will display after the 10 seconds. Here you can see it's working fine.